Kinhuangdao Yichao Automation Equipment Company Limited, focused on fertilizer machine design and manufacturing. Main products include NPK granular blending fertilizer, production equipment, powder water-soluble fertilizer production line, and liquid fertilizer production systems. We also provide granular and powder fertilizer packing machine series. Our company has been certified with ISO 9001 quality management system. NPK fertilizer production line, mixed fertilizer production line, BB fertilizer production line, semi-automatic water-soluble fertilizer production line, fully automatic water-soluble fertilizer production line, liquid fertilizer production line, smart fertilizer batching machine with 4 to 8 bins. In addition, we offer a comprehensive range of packaging machines. Hopper-free fertilizer packing machine, single hopper granule packing machine, double hopper granule packing machine, single station, twin screw powder packing scale, double station, twin screw powder packing machine, mixing equipment, double shaft paddle mixer with zero gravity. Our products are exported worldwide. Backed by a dedicated professional installation and after-sales service team. We provide customized solutions tailored to your unique production needs. Contact us today for expert support and reliable service.